Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty and you are watching Beauty Icing TV. So guys, on this video we are going to be making puff puff for a birthday party. So there's a little girl that want to do a birthday party. The parents contacted me for 1 cooler of jollof rice, 100 pieces of puff puff and 40 pieces of turkey. So I'm going to be sharing the video after this very video. You guys will see that after this very video. So over here are all my ingredients for puff puff. So I already have puff puff recipe on my channel, but this one is a little bit different, in which I'm going to be showing you guys. Over here I have my flours. So I have about 6 cups of flour here, and over here is my powdered milk, yeast, instant yeast. This is 1 cup of sugar, and over here is my milk flavor. So this is going to give it that change the game for us. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm about to do over here. And if you know you live around my city here in Uppsala, feel free to contact us for all your parties and your your birthday parties, your marriage, any celebration. We are there to serve you. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also on our WhatsApp if you have our WhatsApp. So I'm going to go ahead and add 4 cups of water in there. This is warm water. What you see me adding here is warm water. So this is 4 cups of warm water. I'm going to add in my yeast. So I'm just going to make sure everything is well incorporated. Make sure that this process, that you make sure that there is no lump. It's very important if you want to have that tasty puff puff. Make sure there is no lump. Take your time, So now, as you can see, everything is well mixed up. So I'm going ahead to add my flour in there. Then I'm also going to be adding my powdered milk and my milk flavor. If you don't have powdered milk, feel free to go ahead and use your milk flavor. Sometimes that is what I use. If I don't have powdered milk at hand, I will just use my milk flavor. Or if you don't have milk flavor, you can also use powdered milk. So I'm going ahead to use my hands. So that is why I'm putting on gloves, hand glove, just to ease the work. So this is it, guys. It is well mixed now. So what I'm going to do is just to cover it. So make sure the surface is well cleaned, as you can see me doing here. Yeah. So I just cover one side, so I'm going to cover the other side right away. So that is it. So I'm going to leave it for the next 45 minutes. So when it's ready, I'm coming back to fry it with you guys. Guys, it's ready to be fried.